Radhe Radhe. Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my online classes, Angela Anatomy Classroom. So today we are going to study about the muscle attachments of the clavicle. So this diagram which I have drawn here is sufficient to tell you about all the muscle attachments of the clavicle. So let's study this diagram. First of all, this one is indicating the superior surface of the clavicle, and this is the inferior surface of the clavicle. This is lateral end. Okay, so if we see the superior surface of the clavicle, we can mainly found the muscle attachments of trapezius, sternocleidomastoid, deltoid and pectoralis major. Okay, so this is the attachment of the trapezius muscle. Here we can find the deltoid. Okay, this is very clear. I think there should be no doubt in it. And here we can found at this end we can found sternocleidomastoid, okay, and pectoralis major. So this is very simple: trapezius, deltoid, sternocleidomastoid and pectoralis major. Now coming to the inferior surface, we can found, first of all we can found deltoid here. Okay, deltoid, subclavius. You can see the location which is clearly visible from here. This is deltoid, this is subclavius, here is the trapezium. Okay, this is very clear. I think the diagram itself is telling everything. If you draw a diagram and label it properly, you can explain also from here, and the diagram itself is sufficient. If you want to explain, you can explain from the diagram itself. Okay, you can if you know the proper diagram of it, you can explain from the diagram itself. So here is trapezium. Here you can see the subclavius on the inferior surface. Here you will found the sternohyoid muscle and pectoralis major here. Okay, so deltoid, trapezium, subclavius, pectoralis major and sternohyoid. These are 5 major muscles whose attachments are found on the inferior surface of clavicle. Now on the inferior surface we also found attachments for ligaments. Which one? Trapezoid here, you can see conoid here, and costa clavicular ligament. The attachment for costa clavicular ligament here. So I think this is clearly visible and crystal clear for all of you, the muscle attachments of clavicle. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. If you really like my lecture, please subscribe, press the bell notification, like and share. Like, share and subscribe please. It would be a great motivation for me for bringing out further lectures also. Thank you very much.